we have a pink Eureka lemon that I'm going to be transplanting this season because this container, I'm pretty sure it's outgrown it. And I want it to get as big as this tree that we have over here. This is the kaffir lime. If you guys aren't familiar, I highly suggest that you guys look it up. This tree is grown mainly for the leaves. The leaves are very, have a lot of minerals and vitamins in the leaves. It has medicinal features in it. The limes are kind of like a little brain and wrinkly. Yeah, you can use it, but this tree is mainly grown for the leaf. So I highly suggest that you guys look into this. As you can see, I'm growing it as Cellar because I'm limited in space. I couldn't afford to grow a tree that was round and bushy, so I had to grow it this way. Here is another Eureka lemon. Sometimes it's called lemonade lemon. And this is actually an air layer that I took from a neighbor's house. And it's growing fantastic. I'm very, very impressed. I have two of them because when I took this air layer, I didn't know how successful it was going to be and how long it was going to last for. Well, it definitely has lasted a long time. I'm super satisfied with it. I have two now, which is completely fine. I'm going to let this grow out bushy, and the other one I'm going to let it grow out as Cellar as well. As you can see, I have mint, some succulents. I'm propagating some succulents there. I have passion fruit cuttings here. That's actually growing pretty well. I have to get this in the ground somewhere. And then I